Welcome everyone to a new episode with Pasta Queen and Pasta Bro. Today we're making fresh homemade gnocchi with butter and sage. Have you ever had that? It only takes 10 minutes, literally. Let me go through the process with you. Ingredients. We're gonna use 150 grams per person of gnocchi. Then we're gonna use 30 grams of parmigiano cheese, 120 grams of butter or 1 stick of butter, and a handful of almonds. Then you want 4 to 5 sleeves.
Maniche. Maniche di salvia.
Esatto. 4 to 5 leaves of sage. That's all you need, guys. It's so simple. It'll take you 10 minutes to make the sauce and 1 or 2 minutes to boil those gnocchi. Chop the butter in little pieces, and now we toss in the butter. The butter is almost melted. Let's put the sage leaves in. Mix them in for a few minutes and let them sizzle. Release all the fragrance. It's gonna be delicious. Isn't this the easiest thing you've ever seen? Honestly. We use salted butter, so you don't need to add any extra salt. At this stage, guys, all you need to cook for is a couple of minutes for the sage to release all of its flavors. Once that's done, you shut off the flame. As the pasta water is boiling, you lower in your gnocchi. I'm gonna show you how simple it is to cook these little cute things. It's gonna literally take a couple of minutes. Once they float to the surface, it's done. Okay, now they're floating, it means they're done. And you toss them in your sauce.
Oh yeah.
As we're doing the gnocchi, don't forget to always save about a cup of pasta water. We're going to be using it in a minute. Let's add the parmigiana cheese. Now a little bit of pasta water. Okay, let's toast the almonds now, just about 30-40 seconds until they go light brown. We're ready for plating. Ago, bring in the plate.
Coming.
Yay! Okay, guys, now the moment you've all been waiting for. I can feel it from home. Look at this. Okay, a sprinkle of extra parmigiano on top, because why not? The almonds are still hot. I'm gonna sprinkle a few here. Ooh, yes. It's time to taste it. Oh my God, it's so good. Did you taste it? You had half of the pan already. Guys,
Yeah.
we gotta leave you now because this cannot get cold. It's blasphemous. But you can subscribe to YouTube and follow us on TikTok and Instagram. We love you. See you next time. Bye.